Hindi, I have a question for you. Pal ka ba?
Pal? Bakit?
Because you have beauty like no other. Like no other. And a heart like no other.
Sige na, kibilig na ako. Pero in fairness kaya favorite ko yung Pal eh. Kasi it's the heart of the Filipino talaga, di po ba? Teka, akala mo ikaw lang, ako din meron. May bako din ako, no? SMDC ka ba?
SMDC, bakit?
SMDC kasi good guy ka, kaya gusto kong mag-invest ng emotions ko sa'yo. SMDC, wise investment yan! Ayan, yes, mga kababayan ko, invest in the Philippines with the fastest growing real estate company, SMDC, the good guys. Ayan, eto talaga, wise investment po talaga yan, maasahan nyo.
Yes, and I'm sure yan ang magiging first investment natin. Okay guys, we have some good news for everyone. Yes, this music that we got. This time is now showing.